What's going on, everyone? Zen here. Welcome back. And today we will take a look at another starter set we are building for $1,000. Today we are at the PDR Finesse Tools website. Now, if you are looking to get into PDR trade and you don't know what tools to buy, this is a set I would put together. I would make it for myself if I am learning. Let's start by lights. You cannot fix the dent if you cannot see it. So we are on PDR Finesse Tool time. Lights. They only have this small light. That works great. $450. Add to the cart. There's no other light here, so this will do. Now we need some interchangeable tip tool because this is great to start. Let's see. We don't need too long one. Now what we're doing here is just trying to get some tools that we can start learning. 160, 120, 180, single band, double band, $125. Okay, so we are picking this one. Why this one? Because it's a double band. I really like double bands because they are also easy to be used when you're pushing side panels like quarter panel or fender, and it's a good price that we found. So let's add this to the cart. And where do we see our cart? We have wish list, cart. Oh, we'll find it at the end. Now here we can go directly to the shopping cart. But let's go. We will be pushing. We need some tips to go on it. Sharp tube, specialty tips and extensions. Now this is really nice and easy to see. Now this is a really lovely tip. Let's see if they have a set. $90 set. Now this is a good price for set. 3/8 set. Oh, this is the small one. This is the bigger one, I think. Let's see. 5/16. This is a nice set. Universal. This one, 1/2 inch. What tools did we buy? Tips. Interchangeable tip tools. What was the one we put in the tool cart? We use this one. So yeah, it's 1/2. Yeah. This one is 1/2 diameter, double band. Perfect. So we will add this set. $50. It's worth it. You get 4 tips, 2 caps. You can go from really soft to really sharp with this set. Now we have the tips. We need something to knock it down. Hammers and knockdowns. Oh, look, our GuardTech gloves that you need to get because they're specially made for PDR technicians. They have soft double padding here, so your hands will not get sore when you're pushing. Okay. Now let's see. We need this. Oh, now this is nice. We can just add to cart right here. We don't need to open it. So we add the wooden pedal. Now we need the knockdown. Knockdown. This one looks nice. Yeah, and this one is our knockdown. Aluminum knockdown. Add to cart. So let's see where we at price wise. Where we at? We are at 670. So now we need some hand tools. If we run on the braces, the dents over the dents that are if the brace is under if the dent is under a brace, we need some hand tools to access it. Now let's see what we have here. We're looking for some left and right hand tools or something interchangeable and not ratcheting, like some ratcheting handle. But let's see what we have. Flat. So we are looking for something like this. This would work well, basically. Let's see what else we can find. Shorter. I like the shorter ones. 24, 24, 23 inch, 10 inch, 23 inch, 10 inch. 11-inch long. Let's take this one. Let's take this set now. This is gonna be our set. Add to cart. You have left and right, and they are sharp as well, so it will be easy to hit that precise spot you want to hit. We have the hand tools. We're not taking this one, we took that one. Now what we need is see our cart. Oh look, check out here. Here is the cart. $821. That is with the handling and sales tax. Now we are gonna go for $1,000 without handling and sales tax. So we have 230 left. Now we have a knockdown hand tool. We have, let's go for the doors. If we want to fix doors, we need where are maybe door tools, tools by usage. We will go like that, and we will go door tools. Here we go. We have 230 left, and for door tools we will also, if we are doing doors, we also need to do, we also need to protect the window, so we need the window guard and a window wedge. Now this right here, as you can see, bestseller. This is a great tool. It's angled in the way you have nice direct pushes, but we are limited by the budget, so we will find something cheaper. And since it's ratcheting, we need to find just one tool. We need one tool, something like this, 120, maybe with a longer kick on it. This looks nice. This 23.6, 18-inch 23. I would go, this one is extra large, this one is normal, 165. I think we can go, I think we can afford this one with 165. Add to cart, and we can still get ourselves accessories. Oh, look, the gloves again. They're just falling into our hands. Okay. Stop messing around. Now, Finesse Tools has the thickest window guard, the metal window guard you can find, and that is really worth the money. So let's see if we can afford that one in our price range. The $80. It's worth $80, but we're trying to stay on budget. So we will add, we need an S hook with an O-ring. It's $15. Add this one. We need a window wedge. Let's do it like this. We need a window wedge and a window guard. So let's find the, let's just add this window guard, and let's, this is $30. So the window wedge we will need is gonna be Stucky Talon window wedge. This is added to cart. Now let's see where we stand. We stand at 984.90. Can we add something else that would be useful for us for $15? Let's see. Let's view our cart. And let's see where we at. So let's start in order. We have the light so we can see. Now we have the interchangeable tip tool, and we have the interchangeable tips for it. We can knock it down with this aluminum knockdown, and using this solid wooden heat tempered oak knockdown paddle. We need, of course, the O-ring to have leverage for pushing. This is for under the braces, and we have for windows 1, 2, 3 items. Now $15, what we can get is another tip for this knockdown. That's what I would get. Let's see if we can find something. These are interchangeable tip tools, tips and extensions. $15. Nice tip for knockdown. Something plastic. This is plastic sharp. A little over budget, but this is a nice set. We have this one. This one comes on the knockdown. I would guess, if not exactly this one, it has very similar shape. Okay, we have a second page. Let's see what's on the page 2. The ball. We don't need the ball for the knockdown. Maybe. Yeah, I would go with this one. It's exactly $15. It will fit. It will fit our tap down, and you basically have 2 in 1. You have the soft cap, so you can basically push it, and you have a metal one as well. But if I'm not mistaken, that one is also in the set we got. Yeah, that one is in the set we took. So let's just add another plastic tip. This one, sharp plastic tip, add to cart, and we have completed our cart. Let's Yeah, we have $5 left. View cart. So let's recap what we got. So this is our finished finesse tool cart for under $1,000. You have all that you need to start learning PDR. Now, these are all quality tools. The way I'm picking these tools is these are tools that you will buy and you will have forever, unless you break them or lose them, which is more likely that you will lose than break. But it's not something that is cheap just for now. It's something you can keep and upgrade your tool set on later as you go. All of these will stay in your arsenal from now until the end, basically. There we go. If you like this video, guys, make sure you click the like and subscribe button down below, and I will see you on the next one.